Picture yourself at the peak of a roller coaster, motionless for a single breathtaking second. You're not moving, but you can feel the immense power coiled up, waiting. That's potential energy. It's stored power based entirely on your position and mass. The higher you are, the more you have. Then, the plunge. Gravity pulls you down, and that stored potential energy instantly begins to transform. You accelerate faster and faster. This new active energy is kinetic energy, the energy of motion. Its power comes from an object's mass and its velocity. But here's the critical takeaway. Velocity is squared in the equation. This means doubling your speed doesn't just double your energy, it quadruples it. It's the reason a car crash at 100 kilometers per hour is catastrophically worse than one at 50. This constant trade-off is governed by one of the universe's most basic rules, the law of conservation of energy. Energy can't be created or destroyed. It only changes its form. Think of an apple falling from a tree. When it's hanging, it's 100% potential energy. As it drops, that potential is converted into kinetic. Halfway down, it's a perfect 50-50 split. And in the final moment before it hits the ground, with its height gone but its speed at maximum, it's 100% kinetic energy. The stored power has been fully released as motion. This elegant conversion from potential to kinetic isn't just for theme parks or falling fruit. It's the engine of our physical world, driving everything from the swing of a pendulum to the chemical energy in a battery that powers your life.